Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix. We are aware that there is an issue with accessing Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox, that we are aware there is an issue with accessing Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the settings. Just tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. Here you have to find Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox, tap on storage and cache. Here once you tap on the clear cache, after that you have to tap on the clear storage. Before tapping clear storage, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Roblox user ID and password. If you have remembered your Roblox user ID and password, then you can tap on clear storage. After that, then go back, tap on permissions. Here you have to allow all the permissions. Select, tap on allow, select the microphone, tap on allow. Like this you need to allow all the permissions one by one. After allowing these permissions, then go back, tap on Play Store, then search for Roblox. Tap on Roblox. If your Roblox is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix. We are aware that there is an issue with accessing Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.